Wait, I just see your babe walk past. Eh, she don't go now. She say we'll be just friends. Say she just come to see me. Say we just the gist. Wait, this girl open mouth tell you so na be just friend. Get where I see where the other shawarma and pizza for now. Say only shawarma. This Uber no be me pay. Go in and come in. I see where you pay Uber now. Eh? You talk that one. You know how many origin she drink here? Are they here now? No be 7 na 7 bottles. She won't order for shisha. Me dey bring shisha. Shisha na wetin dey give friend. Shisha. Eh? Fire, smoke, fire. I think they give just friend. So this girl open mouth talk fish. They are just friends. See that girl they chop fish. They chop fish like say Jonah where fish swallow. Nah, ex-boyfriend. They devour her. Say we'll be just friend. My brother, this is the way you talk now. If I tell you when this thing they pay me now. No, not to vex. Na me happen to. No, you happen to. You understand? Because I know what you go through. For this girl to go open mouth so we are just friends. Not true. You need to vex now. No, you need to vex now. No. Just friend. You go just book your Uber come now. Eh? Anyway they give you go just take her like that. See my sister, if you be just friends, when you know say you just be friends, you understand me? As you they come, you understand me? When be say light no day, no day outside just take breeze. Take breeze, no just disturb me for fuel or for AC. No just touch my polo, no just touch my boxers. No carry my slippers, just day on your leg. See, this year make everybody just mind himself. Make everybody now just mind himself more than they do now, you understand? Because you don't continue all this one, just tell me say, you understand, we are just friends. Do you know that word? Do you know what it means for just say we are just friends? Just now, person don't spend money. I'm mad. Just for nothing. I spent a lot. Is this Lagos for day? Eh? Girls will get good mind. They know this 12. Oh. You don't talk say 12. You just say you the prolonged talk. Girls will get good mind. Now 4. They be 4. My this girl will come on now 3. I beg you get anything for your kitchen, man. Just take home my side. Are you hungry? MOP. Now God, I use begging. Just leave me. I mean, just now, say we'll be friends. Yes, we are just in short. Because I hear a day now when my landlord just sent me a message. They tell me about house rent. You get me? In short, just come and leave my house. Because I don't even know why I can't even get anything to do with you. Just come and leave my house. Well, this year just rugged.